Hi everyone. This is a design project for Dafi. Carhartt has sent the styrofoam balls in 2 shades of paint, and it was supposed to be like a moon theme, and mine is, you just can't tell it yet, but let me explain. Our 4-year-old Nicholas is learning about the moon in preschool. Can you believe it? But I painted this with the 2 shades she sent me, and then, Grandma's got to get inventive. I went back over it with glow paint, so it will glow in the dark. Yeah, I did. It does too. I can't show you now because it's not dark, but it works. I'm going to hang it. I put some rickrack on it, and I'm going to hang it where he can't reach it, but I can in his room. And every time he gives me a new fact that he can recall without just reading a story to him, and he tells me right back, just something that pops in his mind that he can remember about the moon, he is getting a little star, which is really actually liquid pearls. But, he's 4. It looks like a star to him. But they're going to go on his moon, and hopefully we'll have it all filled up. And then I'll put another clear coat over top of it of the glow-in-the-dark paint. Anyway, I went back and bought another one because I wanted to do one for the baby too. And his is just going to hang over it, just a little smiley face, so that when he wakes up from his nap or in the mornings that he spends the night over, he'll be able to see the little smiley face hanging up there looking at him. But we've read the story To the Moon and Back. We've read I Love You to the Moon and Back. We have read so many stories. Another thing I had thought about doing with this is turning it into one of his little adventure things he watches on Nick at Night or Nickelodeon. And I was going to make it a body and give it some wild arms and all that stuff, but I wanted to use it as an educational purpose. So, those of you that get the Happy Pack, there's tons of things you can make with it. But think outside of the box. If you have a grandchild or a younger child in the house, can you use it as a teaching aid for something for them? And, if you want to give it as a gift to someone, use their colors and then put some little liquid pearls on it to stand out. I really, my intention when I first heard that we were going to do these balls was I was going to paint it in earth tones and put it in a dish on my table and just, use it as a decoration. But then I got thinking about it, and I wanted to make something for the boys out of it. And I know everybody else is going to be doing like really fancy stuff, so I decided to go out of the box and make something different. So this is just one suggestion, one idea, but there's 1,001 things you can do with these little balls. Don't just think of them for Christmas. I really wanted to put bunny ears on him and a little cotton ball back here, but then again, it is styrofoam, so, and we have the baby in the house, so the first thing I could see was him taking a big bite out of it. So I kind of went away from that idea. But they would be great to put some little bunny ears and cotton balls on them and just sit them around for Easter decorations if you don't have any little ones in the house that can bite them. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.